Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Make sure the Redmi is powered, unlocked, and you know the screen lock. Open Settings, then About Phone, locate MIUI version or build number. Tap that field rapidly 7 times, you will see a countdown toast or message. Once done, Android tells you developer options are enabled. This direct action flips the flag in system settings. It's quick, and you don't need special tools. Remember to keep the device unlocked during tapping so the interaction registers. Once developer options appear, navigate. Settings right arrow additional settings right arrow developer options. You must flip the main toggle to enable the menu before any changes take effect. Now adjust specific items like USB debugging or OEM unlock. These let you interact with ADB or unlock bootloader, so proceed cautiously. For smoother UI testing, reduce or disable animation scales. Make sure to read each toggle label, because enabling some options can weaken security or change device behavior. If you rely on USB debugging, to finish, review your changes and reboot the Redmi so settings like OEM unlock take proper effect. If developer options didn't appear, update MIUI or restart and repeat the 7-tap sequence. Sometimes carrier or enterprise profiles hide it. If USB debugging won't connect, revoke USB authorizations in developer options and reauthorize the PC when prompted. Make sure to return risky toggles to safe defaults when finished. That troubleshooting tip saves time. Restart and retap, update MIUI, then retry authorization to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.